Hello there, I'm Sammy, the CEO Kinghost Web Solutions, and today I'll be taking you on a very short tutorial on how to install WordPress on your new server or website. So first of all, log into your Kinghost client area or dashboard. Then you go to your services, which is where your website is hosted on. Okay, now we are installing WordPress on this website. Now you click on it. Okay, under these actions, and click on login to cPanel. Then it takes you directly to your cPanel, or you can just simply check your email for your cPanel login details and your cPanel login link for logging in into your cPanel account and successfully setting up your website. This is the email. Once you've ordered and you have paid for your web hosting, you'll get that. So now what you have to do, once you're logged in into your cPanel, just come here and search for WordPress. Scroll down and click on this WordPress manager by Softaculous. Then you allow it to load. Can you see no WordPress installations found? This is where you are going to install your WordPress, and click on the install button. Okay, yes, we're installing a fresh copy. We're using latest version of WordPress. Yes, https www. This place, lots of people make a very big mistake here. This WP, you have to clear it. If you do not clear it, it means you are just going to install the WordPress to a WP directory, and we are going to try that now. Just look at it, you see your website will not work with this. Okay, let's see everything is good. Okay, click on the install folder, install. Okay, it's installing the WordPress. Kindly hold on while the WordPress is being successfully installed. So now WordPress is installed. Can you see the link is so different? It has this /wp, which is what you made during the installation, which is a kind of very bad way of installation. Now let's go to our website and check if the installation is live to see the mistake you guys mostly do. Now type in the domain. Make sure it is pointed to Kinghost. Sorry, we made a mistake here. Okay, can you see you are going to get this error, and that is because you installed to this WP directory. Now let's click on the WP to see if that's where the installation is successfully used, and now you will see that yourself. Can you see /wp folder? That's where your WordPress installation went into, instead of your main folder, which is just standardkingcom.com and then the slash. So now we have to do is go back to your Softaculous to fix this. Close this, reload your tab, and you'll find the installations. So now we have to do is just simply remove this installation and do the correct one. Click on uninstall. Okay, yes, so I have to remove the installation. Good. Reload. Okay, good. So now we're going to install a fresh copy from the beginning. Okay, like I said, make sure you always clear this in directory and make it blank. Make sure nothing is written there for it to be successfully installed on your main website. Okay, everything is fine. Good. Admin email also is fine. Then click on your install. I'm good. Everything is going well. I'm fine. I'm good. Can you see the link? Can you see the link is so different? Can you see? Now let's go to our website and check our installation. You see now that the installation is successfully. Can you see? Can you see that successfully installed? Make sure your website is always in HTTPS for successful SSL certificates, which Kinghost gives you for free. This is your SSL stating that your website is secured from archives and some external brute forces attack. Can you see connection is secure? Good. SSL certificate. So this is how you can successfully install WordPress on your website. To log into your admin panel, you use this link /wp admin to log into your WordPress website. So now we are done with the installation, and you can successfully manage your website now via WordPress. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.